Welcome to Moesmoontarot. I'll be doing the sign for Scorpio. I almost called you Capricorn. Alright, let's see. Yeah, for Scorpio. I don't get a lot of Scorpios on my channel, but let's see. Shit. Ooh, that's a Scorpio. Ooh, adverse feeling. Patience and planning. It's the first card out. Love begins here. Some could be switching careers. Rest and rejuvenate. Stand your ground. It's the middle part. The Empress. Positive movement forward. Okay, that's good. Spiritual connection here. Third eye is above the Empress. Sacral chakra is above positive movement forward. Prosperity begins is above the spiritual union, balance, truth, and the world here. So you changing up a lot here as well. Some of you might got some type of travel plans as well. Might be dealing with a Libra here. I see where you're getting things balanced. Honesty is the key growing into this cycle, I feel. Or you're just being honest with yourself overall here. Some of you been praying here for something. Could have to do with your finances here as well. Some of you might feel a little bit restricted when it comes to your finances, but I see where you're going to figure something out here. Try not to overexert yourself, drain yourself too much here, especially emotionally, you know. I mean, even though, you know, it might be like money-wise, but try not to get too emotionally stressed about it here. Third eye, sacral chakra, is like you know what actions you need to take here when it comes to producing fruit for yourself. Here is what I feel with that prosperity begins here. Some of you are going to find new connections through work, new people here as well. Try to remain positive at this time. Open your heart up here with this Empress and this third eye energy. Some of you might be a little bit more closed off, and you know it's time to really just open up here. I see where something might seem as a challenge, but I don't really feel like it is. Here with the stand your ground, that's the middle card here. You just gotta remain strong in the situation is what I feel here until you get to where your destination is here. Some of you might got a new connection as well, or reconnecting with your other person, or this might just be a connection to your higher self. You might got a spiritual gift for some of you here that you tapping into. What's this patience and planning? You got 2 sevens. So you are trying to complete something you're trying to put together here. What is this patience and planning here? I'm seeing where you're going to be more patient with yourself, especially with this love begins. I also feel like this might even be self-love for a lot of you here. You might be eating more vegetables, drinking more water, nurturing yourself here, taking care of your body. What is this patience and planning here? The world here, and this new cycle here with this world card. So some of you are going into a new cycle. This might be something that's different for you here with this world card. Maybe you're going through a different career plan, work-wise, that you never did before here. Have patience with yourself. Don't put yourself down here. Take your time here. What's this world card? Some of you might be traveling here as well. What's this world? Man, this one getting. Be patient with yourself. Knight of Coins here. I also feel like something might take some time, or getting like the rope or something, the routine or something, the feel of something here with this Knight of Coins here. Something might have something to do with your money here. 10 of Swords and the 4 of Swords here. For some of you, you might be ending something here. Look at these cards, perfect. Some of you think something's over here. What's this 10 of Swords? Something could be about your health here. Maybe you need to, something could be about your health, particularly your back here. Watch how you sleep is what I'm getting here. Don't sleep on your stomach. Try to sleep on your back here. What's this 10 of Swords here? Something to do with your back. The way you sleep here. They're going to give me a whole book. The Lovers, the Tower here, and the Hierophant here. Yeah, some of you might need to get some help here when it comes to your health. Here. Some of you getting out of something and it came right in divine timing here for you. I feel like this is a different profession here that you're taking up here. And 3 majors too. So something is major. Some of you might realize something about a connection that you were in. You might be clearing that away here too as well. Something to do with a lover here. Taurus, Scorpio. Well, let's see. Some of you might realize somebody was in a connection here, so you decided to end it. I realized somebody was married. 5 of Wands. Arguments, competition here. Keep in mind this could be outside of you too as well. I see where you got a lot of people competing for you here with this 5 of Wands here. New suitors here. What's this 5 of Wands? Four of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. You might be holding back from these people because you're more focused on your work, things that you need to do here. Might even be some arguments about money here too as well. I'm getting like with that 4 of Pentacles, make sure you are setting back boundaries here when it comes to people so you can focus on what you need to focus on here too as well. Some of you might be trying to save up money here too as well. What's this ace? You got the Ace of Pentacles twice here. So some of you might be dealing with somebody that a lot of people want here as well. Might be a little bit of a threat to either your marriage, your relationship that you have with someone here. Damn. What's the Ace of Pentacles? Eight of Cups here. I feel like you might be walking away with this Eight of Cups here. It's like you're not fighting for somebody or anything like that. So somebody tried to put you in some type of competition. I feel like this is someone new here or fairly new here. And you're like, I'm not competing. For others of you, these are people who's trying to fight from you and you just holding back here. Two of Cups here. Maybe you and your partner both are walking away here. Being more in a restful mindset here, chilling, having fun here. For others of you, you might be just taking a break from this connection here. Five of Coins here. Yeah. You might be leaving somebody out in the cold here. I do see where somebody tried to, I don't know, somebody tried to compete with you or something of that nature here. For some of you, this could be at a job too as well that you had. Don't compete with nobody here. What's the Five of Coins? If you feel like it's some type of competition or something like that, take time out, reevaluate your emotions here about this connection. I feel like that's what you're going to do with this Eight of Cups here. It's like you're going to give it a break here. What's this Five of Coins? Some of you are leaving someone out in the cold. What's this Five of Coins here? If you feel like you're not getting enough out of a situation here, King of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles here. Putting more love into yourself here as well. Maybe you put more love into your money here at this time. Taking care of yourself too as well. That Five of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles here. Some of you just feel like being single. You don't. That's what I get. Like you just want to be alone here. That's for some of you. For others of you, you might be walking away from a connection. But that's still got some more to clarify. What's this stand your ground here? The High Priestess, here, remaining quiet here. You might be keeping things to yourself here, not really opening up to anyone here. Staying in your own lane. Here, yeah, the Moon, you are. Very intuitive cards here with this High Priestess and this Moon here. This could mean like wait until you feel things out here. What is this? The Chariot here. A move here. Being very determined here. Spiritual power too as well with that Moon. The High Priestess and the Chariot here. You ascended here with something. So you no longer going to be bothered with something. I feel. You're taking things on another level spiritually here. What's this Empress here? King of Swords and the Ace of Swords, knowing the truth here. Being very clear, direct here. Yeah, some of you are very spiritually in tune here. Some of you just not going to reconcile with anyone anymore here, I feel. This could even be friends, whatever. Friendship groups, things like that, work groups. You're not here. What is this third eye here? Seven of Pentacles, taking your time to figure out what answer to get when it comes to a particular situation here. Might be meditating here too as well. Might be trying to figure out some type of challenge that you're going through here, but I feel like that once you sit with yourself, you will get the answers that you need. They're coming, especially with that Knight of Swords. What is this? Positive movement forward. This could be about investment. Okay, Ace of Wands. A brand new good. A brand new beginning here. Being very positive, optimistic here with this page. Ace of Wands here. Might get a new creative spark here as well. Might have someone that you desire to as well, seeing things in a totally different way here. Maybe you was closed off on this person, but now you're seeing things for what they are here when it comes to this connection here. So this person might be trying to come back around. What's this Ace of Wands? Queen of Pentacles. Could be an earth sign towards Virgo, Capricorn here. Or this could be something that you do for work. Maybe travel for work here. What's the Queen of Pentacles? Eight of Swords here. Somebody you want to balance something out with from your past here, I feel. But you're not sure if they will accept your apologies. Ooh, I'm grateful. What's the Eight of Swords? Two of Swords. Something might get blocked here as well when it comes to your money here. Shit. What's this? Somebody just don't see how much you care is what I'm getting here. If it's a person. They don't. This might be someone that you're trying to apologize to. Let them deal what they need to deal with here as well. Somebody might, I don't know, might not be sure what to say to you. Here, okay, King of Pentacles and the, this is a marriage, I feel. Someone you might be separated from here with this King of Swords here. I feel like this person, they want to take action toward you, but they're not sure if they can get over something, is what I'm getting. But I feel like they can. Star card. This isn't someone that you can approach this person. Now this might be you too, But you can approach this person a certain type of way, because then they're going to see it as though that you're not really being honest here. This is someone who actually wants you to really open up and tell you and tell them how you really feel here. And it's not like this person's going to judge you or anything like that. They just want you to, they want you to show more emotion, Scorpio, here. Or Scorpio placements. I mean, that's up to you. Okay, what is this sacral chakra here? Queen of Swords, yeah. I know it was separation here somewhere. Got the King of Swords, Queen of Swords. Yeah, this person, they don't think you just want sex from them here with that sacral chakra. So you, 10 of Wands here. Yeah, because they feel like it's hard to communicate here with you when they are standing their ground and being in their truth about something. I don't know who did what or anything like that, but this is how this person feels. Like, is this all you want here? But with the Queen of Pentacles, they do have a lot of love for you here, or you then. Reverse it. What is the spiritual connection here? 9 of Swords, somebody's word here. Sleepless nights. Rather you or this person, somebody can't stop thinking about this connection that they have here. Queen of Wands in reverse here. Somebody in reverse. Somebody's worried that there's some type of insecurity in this connection. Somebody's worried that you don't admire them, desire them, or something like that. What is this Queen of Wands in reverse? Six of Pentacles here. Not sure how to balance out a situation, get to a situation here. They feel as though it's too much stress here. With this Queen of Wands in reverse. Somebody feel like they just don't have like the energy here for something. What's this Queen of Wands in reverse here? I don't even know what I'm gonna call this, y'all. Page of Wands here. I heard they see my message. This might be someone who acts a bit childish here as well, or like to play like mental mind games here with you here. They come off a little bit childish. I ain't gonna lie. Here, even though it seems like they got all their shit together, they can be a little bit childish and spiteful too. Wow. Yeah, see, the magician. The mental games. You see the affinity sign up there. So somebody do like to play a little bit mental games here. It could be someone you married to here. What's this prosperity begins? 7 of Cups here. What's this? Page of Swords. You dealing with somebody who likes to. I don't think it's a bad person, but they kind of in their mental. It's just a little, delusional a little bit here. For others of you, you got when it comes to money, career, you got a whole lot of opportunities ahead of you to learn something. Here, you might be taking up a new language. Here, something about a new language. I think somebody's going to say something just to kind of see if you are still in another connection. It got something to do with that. Or if you got options, some shit. The star. Could be Aquarius. I do see a blessing coming your way with this star card here. You might be confused on how you got this opportunity here, but it was meant to be here, is what I feel. Yeah, some of you are in a destined connection with somebody. I hate to say that. Yeah, this could have been someone who broke your heart, and they're coming back to try to reconcile here with you, heal a situation here with you. See? Yeah. So I'm getting like it's more because they might see that you have options, and a lot of people admire you here. They don't want to see you run away from them. So cat and mouse game, child. All right, that's what I got. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.